Hello children, last class we discussed about fertilization, right? And in today's class we'll be discussing about double fertilization. So the definition is double fertilization is a complex process which involves the fusion of one female gamete with two male gametes. It's a fusion of one female gamete with two male gamete. Double fertilization is a chief character of flowering plants. It is a phenomenon of one female gamete unites with two male gamete. Clear? So one of the male gamete fertilizes the egg, resulting in the formation of a zygote. So one of the male gamete fertilizes the egg, resulting in the formation of zygote. And another unites with the two polar nuclei for the formation of an endosperm. Double fertilization provides stimulus to the plant, resulting in an ovarian development to fruits and development of ovules into the seed. When the haploid male gametes and the female gametes fuse, the diploid state of plant is restored. The process of double fertilization is angiosperms are flowering flower-bearing plant and are most diverse group of terrestrial plants. The flowers from the reproductive part of angiosperm with separate male and female reproductive organ. Each contains a gamete, sperm and the egg cells respectively. Pollination helps the pollen grain to reach the stigma via style. Two sperm cells enter the ovule. Synod cell. This proceeds to fertilization. That is, in angiosperm, fertilization results in two structures, namely zygote and endosperm. Hence, the name double fertilization. So, double fertilization is a complex process where out of two sperm cells, one fuses with the egg cell and other fuses with two polar nuclei. Clear? One sperm, look at the point number 2 in the diagram. One fuses with the egg cell and another fuses with the two polar nuclei. Double fertilization is a complex process where out of two sperm cells, one fuses with the egg cell and other fuses with the two polar nuclei, which result in diploid. Diploid in sense 2N, two nucleus zygote, and a triploid. Triploid in sense 3N, primary endosperm nucleus. That is PEN, we call it as pen, respectively. Once again, double fertilization is a complex process where out of two sperm cells, one fuses with the egg cell and other fuses with the two polar nuclei, which result in a diploid zygote. Zygote, it is a diploid number 2N. Okay, and a triploid 3N, primary endosperm nucleus, respectively. Since endosperm is a product of fusion of three haploid nuclei, 3N we studied, no? That is, since endosperm is a product of fusion of three haploid nuclei, it is called triple fusion. Eventually, the primary endosperm nucleus develops into a primary endosperm cell, PEC. The primary endosperm nucleus develops into primary endosperm cell and then into, later it will be changed into endosperm. The zygote becomes an embryo after numerous cell division. Clear, children? So, development of embryo. Once the fertilization is completed, embryonic development starts and no more sperm can enter the ovary. The fertilized ovule develops into a seed and ovary tissues develops a fleshy fruit which encloses the seed. After fertilization, the zygote divides into upper terminal cells and lower basal cells. The basal that develops into supersensor which helps in transport of nutrients to the growing embryo. The terminal cells develops into proembryo. We'll be studying in your later classes, okay? Next, we are going to see about the significance of double fertilization. Significance of double fertilization is as follows. Two products are obtained as a result of double fertilization. There are chances of polyembryony or polyembryo, and the plant has better chances of survival. Double fertilization gives rise to an endosperm that provides nourishment to the developing embryo. It increases the viability of seeds of angiosperm. It utilizes both the male gametes produced by the pollen grains. Now, overall view about double fertilization. After pollination, that is transfer of pollen grain from anther to stamen to the stigma of pistil or carpel, pollen grains give rise to the pollen tubes. Each pollen tube carries two male gametes which travels through the style and finally reach the ovary. The ovary contains ovules. These gametes enter into the ovules. Each ovule has an egg cell. The process of fusion of male and a female gamete is called fertilization. In the process of fertilization, one male gamete fuses with the egg to form diploid zygote. This process is called syngamy. The other male gamete fuses with two polar nuclei to form triploid primary endosperm nucleus. This process is called triple fusion. The process of syngamy and triple fusion takes place in embryo sac of the ovule. The two fusion are together known as double fertilization. After fertilization, the zygote develops into embryo. Primary endosperm nucleus develops into endosperm. The endosperm provides nutrition to the developing embryo. Ovule changes to seed. Ovary changes to fruit. Petals and sepals fall off. This is what happening in double fertilization. Thank you, children.